Good morning, third class children. Now today let us revise second chapter in the activity book, children. Open your activity book, page number 12, children. Numbers. Identify the numbers based on the given picture. Clues. One is done for you. In workbook I explained, children, these cubes represent thousands, squares, big squares represent hundreds. These small squares like rectangles are represent tens and single squares represent ones. So here 1249 is the number. Next 1466. So here 6 tens and 6 ones are here. So 1466. Next 1353. Next 1138. Next here no thousands place is there, so hundreds number, 3 digit number only. 555. Next 1460. No ones place is given here. 1460. Next, children, fill in the missing numbers to complete the series in each row. So here 1313, 1317 is given. So the remaining numbers you have to write here. 1314, 1315, 1316, 1318, 1319, 1320. Next 2014, 2019 is given. Next you have to complete the missing numbers here. 2012, what is the number before 2014? 2013. 2013 before 2012, before numbers, these two are. Next 2014 after, 2015, 16, 17, 18. Next 1812, 1815 are given. 1811, 1813, 1814, 1816, 1817, 1818. Like this you will complete. We already wrote these numbers in activity books, children. Just I am revising once. 5984, 5985, 86 is given, 5987, 5988, 5989, 5990, 5991. 4731, 4732, 4733, 4734, 4735, 4736, 4737, 4738. And the last row 8614, 8615, 8616, 8617, 8618, 8619, 8620, 8620. Next one, children. Choose any 4 numbers from the given set. Using the 4 numbers, form any 12 numbers of your choice and write them down. Identify and note down the smallest and the biggest numbers among the numbers you have written. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Single digit numbers are given. So here select any 4 digits and form a 4 digit numbers, 12 4 digit numbers, and within that also write the smallest number and the biggest number. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 are the numbers I choose here. So I wrote 1234, 1243, 1324, 1342, 2134, 2143, 2314, 2341, 3124, 3142, 3241, 3214 are the numbers formed by using these 4 digits. So among these, which is the smallest number? 1234 is the smallest number. And which is the biggest number? 3241 is the biggest number. So like this, you will also choose any 4 digits and make 12 numbers by using those 4 digits, and also write the smallest and the biggest numbers. Come to the next page. Observe the beads on the abacus and write the number it represents. Look here, 4, 1, 2, 3. That is 4123. Here in thousands place 4 beads, hundreds place 1, tens place 2, ones place 3. 4123. Next, thousands place 2, hundreds place also 2, tens place 4, ones place 5. 2245. Next, here in thousands place no bead is there, so don't write any number. Hundreds place have 4 beads, tens place 2, ones place 3. 423. Next, thousands place 2, hundreds place 4, tens place 1, ones place 3. 2413. Next, thousands place 4, hundreds place 1, tens place nothing, 0, ones place 2. 4102. Thousands place 2, hundreds place 4, tens place also 4, ones place 1. Ones place 1. Here not 0 children, 1. 2441. Next, fill in the boxes with the correct values. 2759. In this, 7 is the number. So write the face value and place value for this digit. 7 is in which place, children? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 7 is in hundreds place. So the face value of the hundreds place digit also the same digit 7, and the place value is 7 is in hundreds place, so the value is 700. Next, 3852. 2. Write the face value for 2. Face value is the number itself 2, and the place value. The number is in ones place. 2 into 1, 2 itself. Next, place value 1004 is the number, and write the face value, place value for the tens place digit. So here 0. Face value is 0 and the place value also 0. 0 into, it is in tens place, 0 into 10 also 0. Next, 9021. So write the face value and face value for the digit 9. It is in thousands place, so place value is 9000 and the face value is 9 itself. 4617. Write the value for the number 1, the tens place digits. The place value is 10 and the face value is 1. 2228. Face value is 8, place value also 8. Why? Because it is in ones place. 8 into 1, 8 only. Draw beads on the abacus to represent the given numbers. So here numbers are given. By using these numbers you have to draw the beads. Thousands place 4, hundreds place 5, tens place 6, ones place 7. Like this you have to draw beads. Write the expanded form for the following numbers. 9567. 9000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 7. 3409. 3000 plus 400 plus 0 plus 9. 2960. 2000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 0. 4006. 4000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6. 5274. 5000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 4. 1453. 1000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 3. 4561. 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 1. 2310. 2000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 0. Now note down any 6 vehicle registration numbers while going from school to home and write them in the given place value charts. Also note down their expanded forms. So write any numbers, children, like this, and also write the expanded forms for the numbers. So here I wrote 4324, 6451, 7089, 9136, 2402, 5640. So for this also write the expanded forms. 4320 plus 4, 6450 plus 1, 7000 0 plus 80 plus 9, 9000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 6, 2000 plus 400 plus 0 plus 2, 5000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 0. Okay? Okay, children, the remaining pages we will discuss in the next video, children. In workbooks we already completed workbook. Here in the activity book there are some more pages, children. Those pages we will discuss in the next video, children.